Hi, it's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. And it's back to school time. That means we get a break from the kids.
Thank goodness.
No, seriously, we want to arm you with great, healthy food so we can have fuel for the entire day for parents and kids.
Exactly. So today we are honored to be with mom and Charlotte social media influencer, Xochil Silva. And we're talking about snack food drawers, baby.
Wait a minute. The only snacks that our kids have in their drawers is junk food.
Hold on, we're working on it.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna learn today. How do you, Xochil, turn a junk food drawer into a healthy snack food drawer?
Easy, by swapping some of your junk food like chips or
Like gummies.
fruit snacks into dry fruit.
Oh,
That.
that's good.
Yeah, we have some of those here.
I picked up some.
Yeah, I like that.
That's a great idea.
Well, what are some other things that we can put in our now healthy snack food drawer?
Well, it's important to always have a snack food drawer, not only in the pantry or in a drawer, but also in your refrigerator, so kids have the option of fresh and packaged.
And I like this because we've already approved the snacks, so they know that they can go there when you come home from work and you're tired, or maybe you're still bringing work home with you. They know exactly where to go to get their snacks.
It's not only approved, but you have already portion controlled it for them.
Nice.
I like it.
Now, what are some other things that we can add? See, one thing that I don't allow is my kids cooking on the stove. So can you tell us something that's quick and easy that a child could fix?
Microwave, it's your best friend.
Oh.
Teach them at a young age to make oatmeal, like I taught my daughter, and she can make that for her breakfast, get a little extra sleep in the morning. Maybe even right after school, she makes herself a little oatmeal pack, and you can take it easy.
I like the variety packs.
Yes.
I eat that myself.
I like that. A little oatmeal there. Yeah, we got it right here. Boom. There you go. What are some other things that we could put in the healthy snack food drawer?
If you have yogurt for your child, you can always do little packets of granola. I like this brand, but sometimes it can get a little pricey, so I don't hesitate to get cereal.
That's genius.
Yes.
Yeah, you get so much more in that too. And you got the dried fruit in there.
Yep.
That's it. Granola, cereal, fruits and vegetables. Kids gonna love that for the entire school year. For more tips, make sure you follow Xochil on Instagram and absolutely click that button and follow Compare Foods. It's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. Now let's go make that snack drawer.
Let's do it.